Guys, welcome back to my videos, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Speed Champions Lego set and Plus Ferrari 812 Lego set, the Speed Champions Lego set. So yeah guys, there might be part 2 for this video, or I might not just do part 2, but let's start unboxing. There's this thing to open it. Oh jeez, the box is bending. See guys, the box is bending, it's not letting me open it. Let me just open it. Oh. Bruh, I cannot open it. It's already been like 2 minutes and I'm still trying to open this. Just one finger. Almost got it. The whole box just crushed. There we go. So, there's like 200 something pieces in this Lego set, like probably 3 bags. This is like second bag. It's pretty a lot of pieces. It's not as much as 1,300 pieces. Like I said, I have second quality. But yeah, guys, this is first bag, second bag, and comes with this by itself. It's not a bag, and it comes with these rings, whatever. And yeah, obviously comes with a book instructions. And yeah, so here is these stickers for the car. And yeah, the box is empty. Let's just throw it. Okay, I'm gonna try to build it. So see you when I build it. Hold on, I'm curious how fast I can build this Lego set. So I'm just gonna take it somewhere. The lighting got bad. Might just be building it on my desk right here, like this. Sorry, that was a board game. This is a tire. It's made from yeah. So about that. Yeah, a random minifig. Sharpies. Okay, guys, I cleared up some space for this Lego set. I'm gonna move the lighting here so you guys can see the Lego set afterward. There you go. The lighting is so much more better because this camera quality is not that good, so I have to have some good lighting at least. Yep. Well, so be right back when I'm done building this set. Yo, did you guys know? I just realized. I realized this set comes with a sick minifigure. Let's get it out. Sorry, the ink was very bad because I don't have any camera holders, whatever. This is another side. And that plays right in my camera. Right in my hand. Okay, I don't know why I just opened that bag, but I guess there's this helmet. Oh, and the hair. No wonder I opened it. The nice black hair. Let me show you the minifig. Okay, I have to be careful to not lose any parts, so it'll be trouble finding it. Yeah, for the rest I just spill it out carefully so it doesn't fly anywhere. Yeah. Pants or legs. Shirt. Oh my goodness. There you go. And last but not least, the head and the hair. This character actually looks so sick, but I think it would have looked better with gray pants, black pants, because he looks like a person that would be pretty rich, I guess. Alright, so he's just gonna walk away now. Okay, well, yeah, the minifigure is this guy. It's super cool. I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm gonna do this first back. Well, Sorry that my microphone was muted, but I might do part 2 because my camera is probably dead. Unless it's charging, I got no idea. But let's just keep on recording probably because I got no idea if my camera will last long, but let's continue the stop motion. Okay, I'm just kidding. If you guys enjoyed this tiny stop motion, then yeah, I'm gonna, I'm gonna just build the rest of this because this is not even close to be done, bro. This is only like 2% done. So yeah, I'm gonna make it part 2 probably. But if you guys enjoyed this review and tiny stop motion, subscribe and like this video, and yeah, peace out.